to try something different today. We're going to get us one of those pineapple drinks. I'm not in the mood to drink, but I'm going to get one anyway. We'll see what they were like. We'll bring it to you. Now, your drink package does not work. Okay, if you got a drink package, you got to pay $10. If you don't have a drink package, they're $14.
Both? Captain Morgan, both?
Yes. Thank you, Jack.
There you go, sir.
Go.
So here we go. We got the pineapple. It's time for the taste test. Captain Morgan inside it. Right here. It's good. It's kind of tasty.
Y'all like them? How much were they?
$14 each.
How much?
14 each.
They're not included in the drink
Not
package?
counting the drink package. But if you have a drink package, as I just told them, it's $10. But our diamond ring don't work.
No.
You gotta have a drink package, and then it's
Yummy.
$10.
Yummy, yummy.
Your turn.
It's got better lighting when y'all are sitting.
All right, so Terry's gonna try it now.
I'm gonna try this pineapple drink. I always want to get one, but I just didn't know if I like them. But they look delicious. Got rum in them.
And we know how she is on rum.
Ooh, this is delicious. And if
It
you
is.
want, they have the pineapple cut out of this over there on the table, and you can just eat it. The pineapple is really good too.
It is.
Delicious. You want to see inside of it? It's like a rum slushy.
That's what it is.
It's so good.
But it's pineapple. All right.
Thank you, Pat.
Yep, no, thank you, Jack.
Oh, thank you, Jack.
Jack, you're welcome.
Moving on, and we're going into Florida again at 160 pounds. This is Terrie. You're going to stand here so it's an adult sit, very slow. All right. Can you cruise it by yourself? Your family. Family and David, where are you? Oh!
We're going to dinner, but I think we're going the wrong way.
No, we're not.
So we're going to dinner. It is formal night, and we've had a great day. First this morning it was raining a little bit, but then it turned nice. So we'll let you see what we get for dinner.
All right. It doesn't look good. See you in a minute. Terry got the French onion soup.
Yep.
I got escargot. Jack got salad.
Caesar salad.
My second and last appetizer, French onion soup. A little undercooked.
Y'all got a big one.
Another wedge salad. Terry
I don't
got
think he remembered
steak.
that he was so drunk.
Chicken. Jack got the chicken. Some potatoes. I got the seafood linguine.
What did you just tell me to stop talking? I'm not going to stop talking. I'm not going to stop talking. Don't ever tell me to stop talking. You're not going to
Stop
put me in a
talking.
corner. I'm not going to stop talking.
Cream puffs.
We're going to the show.
Out of that place.
And it is actually the rock show. We've seen it before, but we want to go again. But I just came out of the casino. I won $200.
Guess how much I won? 0.
And I got a free drink.
You did.
Margarita on the rocks with salt.
All right. So we're going to the show. We'll bring some of it to you.
Cheers.
Bye.
You come and let's sit down. Let's have about 5 tequila shots and talk about it, all right? That might work something out.
To accept it is to trace the history of rock and roll and popular music films in an effort to gather counterintelligence against
Left it see while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain. Hello, loneliness.
Soul to bleed. Some say love.
Just walk with me, come on, and make the neck work. Now freeze.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let them hear
Good evening.
We're in the casino.
We are.
Yeah. And some people are winners, and some people are losers.
We won't tell you who. Anyway, so it's that time. Stayed up too late last night. Going to bed early tonight. Well,
Oh, so good.
not really early. About 11:30.
We're having our closeout martini.
Yep.
That is so good. This one is really good. Oh, delicious.
Delicious. All right. So
And
anyway,
since I won, I'm feeling very lucky.
me too. So anyway, so tomorrow Costa Maya.
Yes.
We're just probably gonna walk around the board.
We'll see what happens.
Yep. So we'll see. And then the next day, Cozumel, which we're going to
Love
Paradise
Cozumel.
Beach.
My favorite.
All right. We will see you in the morning.
In the morning. Cheers.
All right. I'm gonna-
Party into cruising right this morning.
Good night.
Good night.